Living in a safe environment is quite important to us. So when we are looking for a home security system, we are looking for the high-definition cameras. Something easy to install, we could set it up discreetly in our house.
And we found Imilab. The choice is a no-brainer. Imilab enables us to see our beloved ones, whenever and wherever we love to. The simplest click makes the most precious moments in our lives stay and remain fresh eternally.
I feel safe because it could remind me of any move or something wrong. So I can view and get a call through Imilab immediately.
Hey baby.
Are you okay?
We can see every detail even in the dark with the advanced night vision. It really makes me feel at ease. Imilab has definitely influenced our life and makes it more safe and simple for sure.
I'm a simple man, I work from 9 to 5. I just need a tender love to keep me satisfied. Let me in your kitchen and I'll turn off the light. Do you know I'm coming home tonight? Don't do 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 do, don't do 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 do. Help me, babe. Alright. I don't understand the way you make me feel. I will climb a mountain just to let you know it's real. Break my bread and I can drink your wine. Girl, you know I'm coming home. Girl, you know I'm coming home tonight. Don't do 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 do, don't do 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 do. Help me, babe, 'cause something's gotta give.
Hi Alexa, show me the bedroom.
Hey, it's you I'm missing, so please don't run and hide. 'Cause lately I've been itching, babe, to have you by my side. You don't got to twist my arm, I tell you what I like. Girl, you know I'm coming home. Girl, you know I'm coming home. Girl, you know I'm coming home tonight.
Don't run. You.
This AI-powered camera can differentiate humans from moving objects, which can help ward off unwanted guests. The Yi 1080p home camera from the leader in home security cameras.